Appropriately. Muskan. I can see your smile. It's beautiful.
Thank you. We liked your step in Tu Meri. Can you do with us once?
Oh God, that step is. You know how much I had to practice to do that step? Which one? Which one? But
The chorus one.
the chorus one, no? The one like this. Show me, come.
Go. Fast.
Yeah, I didn't know if you had to give me some heads up. I would have practiced all my steps and come. Wow, three Muskans. What's your name?
Sakshi.
And yours?
Rishti.
And your Muskan. Okay, show me which step. Even I don't know, so we'll try. Come on, which one? The one like this, no? So it's well, okay. This floor is very it's sticking, so we can't really slip on it. But it's like this. It is when you go up like this. Do it. Up, and it's two.
So Miraj is there. Miraj, इधर हो.
Okay, who else wants me to dance? Who else?
सभी लोग डांस करेंगे लेकिन.
Those people are not allowed to ask me any more questions.
Okay, Miraj. हाँ खड़े रहिए.
Sir, I want to have a physique like you. Can you give me some tips?
You want a tip?
Yeah, some tips
No, you tell me. What do you need to do to get a good physique? You tell me.
to get a regular exercise and
One, yes.
have a good diet
Two, yes.
and practice like just
Yes.
Just stay on
Every day.
that thing.
Consistency.
yeah,
No, that's what you're trying to say. Consistency.
yeah,
Little bit, every single day.
yeah.
And finally, you get success. You have just given a tip yourself to everybody else.
No.
See? You know it all.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Now remember what you said. Your brain knows it. All you have to do is do it.
Okay.
Okay, what?
निसर्ग
Yes. What's your name?
निसर्ग
Huh?
निसर्ग
Nisar. Come on, Nisar. What's your question?
मैं पूछना चाहता था
Hmm?
आप जो भी रोल करते हो उसमें अच्छी तरह डिसॉल्व कैसे हो जाते हो
अच्छी तरह डिसॉल्व कैसे हो जाता हूँ? डिसॉल्व इन्वॉल्व सब एक बात है. करेक्ट बोला एक्चुअली. डिसॉल्व इज अ बेटर वे टू से दैट. मैं हर रोल में डिसॉल्व कैसे हो जाता हूँ. जैसे कि आपने अभी देखा जब उसने हेड स्टैंड किया यहाँ पर, तो वो उस हेड स्टैंड में वो डिसॉल्व हो गया था बिकॉज ही गेव एवरीथिंग टू दैट फुल कॉन्सेंट्रेशन. Whatever you do in life, you have to know that you have to do it to the best of your ability. Correct? Whatever you do. It doesn't matter if the work you do, अगर जो तुम काम करते हो वो बड़ा है या छोटा है, उसका कुछ मायने नहीं रखता है वो. You can be doing playing an actor or you can be sweeping the floor. No, whatever you do, you gotta do it to the best of your ability. And if you do that, you will be successful in whatever you do. Correct? So that's what I do. I put my heart and soul into it, and I do it for you. I do it for all of you. I do it for the world. And then I get something back. So remember that whatever you do in life, you're actually doing for other people. You know, you're serving them. With your talent, with your hard work, you're serving other people. So, you have to keep in mind that it is the world that you're serving and you're giving your best to the world, and then they'll give you back. They'll make you successful, they'll make you dance like this, you know, they'll clap for you like how they clap for me now. We're all the same. All the best.
ऋतिक 300 करोड़ हो चुके हैं. एक बार जोरदार. Come on.
Thank you so much. All because of all of you and because of that kid over there who's watched it 8 times. Thank you, Yara.
Okay. हाँ, अरे आप पूछना चाहते हो? पहले क्या नाम है?
Delisha.
जलीशा एज क्या है पहले ये बता दो.
9.
9 की आप? Okay.
In Bang Bang, which was your favorite dialogue?
My favorite dialogue in Bang Bang. Lots of good dialogues were there. My favorite dialogue. One is favorite dialogue. Mahfouz. Correct. Mahfouz is one for sure. Any other suggestions? Ek Din. Correct. Everybody is waiting for that Ek Din. Everybody in the world wants to reach that Ek Din. That Ek Din, I think, is my favorite dialogue after Mahfouz in the film. And I love the character of Rajveer क्योंकि वो बोलता है कि वो एक दिन आने वाला नहीं है. It is here right now. It is right now. So you have to make today the best day and make every day the best day. Because what other choice you have? So that is why I think Ek Din is my favorite dialogue. Correct?
क्या बात है? Anyone? और कोई? Okay, पूछिए पूछिए.
Hi Ritik, my name is Shabir. We have done so many movies. Which movie do you think that is your favorite?
अब भी मैंने कहा कि there are no favorites.
अच्छा लेकिन मैं चाहता हूँ बच्चे लोग प्लीज पूछें. ये बड़ों के क्वेश्चन तो हम लोग हैं, मीडिया वाले सब बैठे हैं, डोंट वरी. बहुत क्वेश्चन जवाब दे के थक गया बेचारा. Anyway, हाँ बच्चा पार्टी. Anyone? बच्चों जैसे प्रश्न होने चाहिए. क्वेश्चन उनके जैसा. हाँ बोलो बोलो. What's your name?
अर्नव मिरानी.
यार ना मेरा जोड़ा ताली.
रुक क्यों गए भैया? आजा आजा आजा. लगी? Lagi? It is good to get hurt. Come here, come here. When you get hurt, you get stronger. Right?
Okay.
If I am in Krish 3, can I fight with your dad?
He's
Hey, Krish doesn't fight with daddies and papas. He fights with bad people.
Just like
Yo, I can see your daddy. Your daddy's look at his smile and those eyes. What a lovely man he is. No? But why you want us to fight? You want to see who's stronger. Huh? But you know what? Strength is not in the muscle. Strength is over here in your mind. No? Yeah, remember that. Oi. Hey, listen. You want to play the villain in Krish 3? In Krish 4? I can fight with you then. You're very strong. Huh? We'll do makeup on you and all. And make you the villain. The first villain who is how old are you? 7 years old. A 7-year-old villain in Krish 4.
with
Mind blowing. Superb that will be here. You're giving me idea now. I'll work on it. You go to your daddy.
Superb. Anyone? और कोई? बच्चा पार्टी. हाँ यार. What's your name?
Heta. Sir, my name is Heta. I want you to do one acting of कोई मिल गया.
Acting.
ऐसे क्या एक्टिंग कर सकता हूँ? ऐसे थोड़ी होता है. ऐसे नहीं करता ना. मुझे नहीं करना. मैं जा रहा हूँ. बाय बाय.
Thank you. एक बार जोरदार तालियां दीजिए ऋतिक रोशन. Come on.
Thank you everyone. Enjoy the movie.
Okay.
Bang bang to all of you.
Okay. लेफ्ट साइड में जितने लोग हैं प्लीज एक एक करके आइए फोटोज के लिए. Group 1 please. 1. Only one.
Only group 1. We'll take a picture with everybody. Please sit down. Please sit down. Everybody. Ma'am, we'll take a picture with them. Sit down. We'll take pictures with everybody. Group 1 fever winners. Group 1 fever winners, please. Come quickly, fever winners. Okay.
Different side.